Y. Two way. T way.
Train and truck. So here he is doing his playing with his favorite things. Trains and trucks. Jacob, where's Cow Cow? Is Cow Cow gonna participate? Don't see him. Go get Cow Cow. He's getting Cow Cow. Is like a favorite little animal that goes in the train. Oh, you don't see it? You didn't find Cow Cow? I don't have Cow Cow with me. It's not there too.
Wait.